Hey everybody, it's Brenda, your Queen Bee of RVs, coming to you from the National RV Training Academy with part 6 of our series, Decoding RVnese. Today, let's get into some of the terms you may hear to describe some special features that you see on different rigs of all shapes and sizes, starting with a unique name for the walls that you see moving in and out from certain RVs. Slideouts or slide rooms are a feature that extend the walls of the camper to create more interior space. Bump outs, as they are also referred to, can be a few feet in width or well over 10 feet in some larger rigs. They're found in the living areas, kitchens and bedrooms, and even extending out the back end walls of some campers. Slide rooms are powered by either electric and or hydraulic motors and can make any RV interior feel more spacious. Awnings are something you might be more familiar with, and they come in a variety of sizes as well. They are constructed of either vinyl or some kind of similar fabric and are a great way to take shelter from both sun and precip no matter what time of year you're camping. The awnings extend and retract either by electric motor or manually, and they might cover the patio area, your main entry door, the rear patio of a toy hauler, or even all the windows on all sides of the RV. Stabilizers and leveling jacks are terms that are commonly interchanged, however, are different items by definition. Stabilizers can be manual, hydraulic, or electric powered, and they're what we use to keep the coach stable, for example, while occupants are moving around inside the coach. They help to eliminate that bounce or sway, and they are not meant to carry the weight of the coach or for leveling. Speaking of the leveling system, leveling jacks or leveling blocks are all used to raise and lower all four sides of the RV to a level position for proper function, especially for appliances like your RV-style absorption refrigerator. They are also electric or hydraulic, or in the case of my Class C motorhome, they're Queen Bee powered because I use these fancy orange leveling stacks. Which comes first, stabilizing, leveling, or extending the slide rooms? For this one, you must refer to your owner's manual, as each manufacturer has different recommendations. I learned all of this and more at the National RV Training Academy, where I became a certified RV inspector and registered technician, and you can too. Head over to NRVTA.com and click on programs to find out more.